how to connect your Zoho book with N8n step by step. So hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can connect your Zoho book with N8n so you can automatically pull or send the data like invoices, customer details, and transaction details. So in this video, what we are gonna do is first of all, we are going to show you how you can download the Zoho book node into your N8n instance, because if you go into your N8n, you will not find Zoho book node into your N8n because this is a third party node which I have downloaded. So I will show you how you can download that. Now the second thing, I will show you how you can connect that Zoho book node with N8n. So let's get started this video. Now first thing, let's talk about the requirement. First of all, you have to have the hosted version of N8n, because the cloud version, if you haven't upgraded that, then it will not allow you to install the third party nodes or community nodes into free trial version. Now if you're using hosted, it's very free of cost. You can just simply install it. Now the second thing you have to have is Zoho Books account. That's obvious. Now let's get started this video. So let me just remove all of this. Okay, that's it. Save this. Now what you have to do to install the Zoho book node, you have to visit this npmmjs.com, which is basically provide you some custom node, a custom N8n node to your N8n instance. So basically you can download it. If you scroll down a little bit, I will give you a link in the description, so you can just directly come to this website. So from here you have to just simply copy this command to install directly from npm and go to your N8n instance, hosted version N8n, and from the top bottom you have to go to settings, and from the settings you have to go to community nodes. It will take 3 to 5 seconds to load this community node, as you can see. Now from here you will get this install button. You have to just paste that and just simply click on this I understand the risk of installation verified float. Just simply click on the install button. So I have already installed this Zoho book node, so I don't need to install it. So you have to just install, and that's it. This is how you can get the access of Zoho book into your N8n instance. Now what you need to do is you have to click on this tool. So if you're a beginner and don't know anything about this, so you don't need to worry about, you can just simply add a Zoho node over here. I will be using this AI agent tool. So let me just search for Zoho book tool. So let me just, okay, that's it. So I have connected my tool with this AI agent. So what it will do is basically perform a simple task. Now let's understand how you can connect that. Let me change this to operation to create a contact. Okay, that's it. Now what you need to do is you have to create Uber authentication. Now open this node and click on this create new credential. Now it will give you this OAuth redirect URL. Just copy this, and from here you need to have is client ID, client secret, and this organization ID. So in the where organization ID you will find, you have to open your Zoho Books for accessing your organization ID. From the top right corner you will find the profile icon, and when you click on this profile icon, something will pop up in right side of your screen. Just copy this organization ID and paste into here. And now let's move to our client ID and client secret. So in order to get that, you have to, let me just open this document. So okay, let's search for, so you have to come to this website, which is zoho.com marketplace. I will give you a description link, or you can search Zoho developer console.com, and after coming on this website, you have to sign in with the account and click on this access developer console from here, and you have to sign in again. Let me just sign in with my account. So that's it. Now from here, what you have to do is you have to click on this explore APIs, click on it. Now from here you can access and you can explore the rest. Now from here, what you have to do is scroll down a little bit and go to books from here. Now here, this is the documentation related to all of your HTTP request node. You can find it from here. Now from here you have to come to this website, which is apiconsole.zoho.in. Now from here you have to create a client for your app. Now just simply click on this add. Now from here, what you have to select is to create a server based application. Just simply click on that, and from here you have to enter the name of your client. I will just simply add some random name, and you have to enter the home page URL. So get back to your N8n instance, copy this much or this much, copy, get back to your Zoho API console, paste that link, and then you need authorization redirect URL. Just copy this OAuth redirect URL and paste it over here, and just simply click on this create button. You will get your client ID. Copy this client ID and get back to your client N8n and paste the client ID into client ID section, and then copy this client secret and paste into your client secret. Now we have this organization ID, then we have this client secret, then we have client ID as well. Now everything is good. Now let's save this. You can give a Zoho Book account too as well. Now after saving, you have to connect your account. Just simply click on this connect my account button. It will take you to this short pop-up where you have to sign in and give a permission to N8n to access your account. Just simply sign in with your account. Make sure you have selected the right account which you have created into which you have used in the Zoho Books. Just simply click on this accept button. So wait for a few seconds, and as you can see, the connection tested successfully. Let's simply close this all of this. Now let's test a little bit. Okay, I have to do some things in over here. So okay, I had made one more mistake over here. So let me just open my this Zoho book node. Let me open this one. So from here, as you can see, this is authorization URL. You have to put this exactly like this, and this access token URL you have to put exact like this. And when you scroll down a bit, make sure you have selected the dot in India. So by default, I guess it is selected by default US, but you have to select it to India, and then you have to just simply select that. Now as you can see here, let me just redo this. And again, I have simply put it, and let me run this again to show you how it's working. It gives us an error. I don't know why. I guess I have put the same over here. I'm sorry, unable to miss system return a bad request. Okay, I have entered the same information, so that's why it's giving me the error. So let me just add a customer details using Zoho no phone number, and then select by yourself. So let me just run it. Let's see if we get any error or not. As you can see, we have executed successfully. Now it means we have successfully installed our customer details into our Zoho book. And let's get back to our Zoho book and see if we have added any information or not. Let me just close all of this. Let's go to my customer, and from here, as you can see, we have successfully added our customer details. So that's it for today's video. And if you want to create the whole workflow around the Zoho based on your needs, you can come to my Discord and we can have a chat on that. So that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, then subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.